This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the camera and a null object immediately. This gives you a single control point. Make sure your project is set to 16:9 and the correct FPS so motion behaves predictably. Parent the camera to the null right away. That allows you to move, rotate, or scale the null and have the camera follow. Once done, rename layers for clarity and lock anything you won't animate to avoid accidental edits. Now you'll build the core animation by keyframing the null's position and rotation rather than the camera itself, because why duplicate work? Use easing presets and the graph editor to craft natural acceleration and deceleration. This is why shots feel cinematic. For depth, parent foreground layers to a separate null at different scales to create parallax. Once done, scrub the timeline and adjust keyframe timing until movement reads visually. To finish, add motion blur and subtle lens effects to sell the camera move, but keep values low to avoid artifacts. Once done, render a short test clip at full resolution to inspect motion and color. If you see jitter or stuttering, make sure keyframes use smooth interpolation and that your project sampling rate matches media. Snapping or duplicate keyframes often causes instability. Finally, export with the correct bitrate and color space and review on the target device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.